Hello! Today you get the chance to ask your child if they want to leave the table in Spanish. How are you going to make that question? You are going to say the following. ¿Quieres levantarte de la mesa? ¿Quieres levantarte de la mesa? If you do that every single day when they are ready to leave the table, there is a moment where it's going to click if you want to do it in the immersion way. If you want to explain to your child when they go like, what? Then you explain to your child. ¿Quieres levantarte de la mesa means if you want to get up and leave the table. If you want to leave the table, you explain one or twice, and the following time you only say, ¿Quieres levantarte de la mesa? And your child will know. Remember, Spanish practice matters, and you can conquer consistency if you live the language one day at a time. See you in the next video.